Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change horizontal to vertical app drawer on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the app drawer on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the three dots on the search bar over here and tap on sort. Now from here, instead of custom order, just select alphabetical order. Now, as you can see, we have successfully changed the app drawer from horizontal to vertical, just like that. Now, to change the app drawer back to the horizontal version, just tap on the three dots on the search bar over here and tap on sort. Now, from here, instead of alphabetical order, just select custom order. And you will change the app drawer from vertical to horizontal, just like that. And this is how you can change the app drawer from horizontal to vertical. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.